Don't get lost in Gemini. It is easy to get lost, but don't worry. This video will show you exactly where everything is located so you can get started with confidence. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to look. We will cover the side panel, the main area, and the prompt area. Let's start with the big areas. The side panel is for navigation, the main area displays results, and the prompt area is where you interact with the AI. Starting a new topic? Always start fresh by selecting New Chat in the side panel to keep your conversations organized. Need to pick up where you left off? Your recent chats are all listed right here in the side panel. The prompt box is your command center. You can type questions, choose different AI modes, and use voice or text input. You have many options for input, including uploading files, adding items from Google Drive, creating images or video, and accessing various tools. To upload files, simply drop them into the prompt area or click to select them from your computer. You can add documents, PDFs, and spreadsheets. You can also bring in files directly from your Google Drive in seconds by selecting the Add from Drive option. Once you have attached your file, tell Gemini what to do, like asking it to summarize a report into key takeaways. Look near the prompt area. Choose the Right Model OR tool. Flash, fast everyday work. Pro, more advanced reasoning, deep research. Longer, multi-source research. Pick the right model or tool for the job. For specific tasks, use gems. These are custom, reusable Gemini helpers, ready to assist whenever you need them. Always check your access settings to manage permissions and keep your data secure. Finally, remember that one job equals one chat. Staying focused in separate chats will help you get much better results. You're not lost anymore. You now understand how to use the side panel, main area, and prompt area to your advantage. You have the knowledge. Now go create.